15. Surah Al-Hijr, the Rock. 54th Surah according to the order of revelation. This is a Makki Surah revealed about 3-4 years before the Hijrah. It has 99 verses in 6 sections. The name of Al-Hijr refers probably to the same area where Thamud used to live in the northwestern part of Arabia. The main theme of the surah is divine guidance and people's response. Allah warns those who deny this message, and as a reminder of these warnings, we have here the stories of Prophet Lut's people, Thamud and other groups. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Quran is the books of Allah. He revealed it and He will guard it. Number 2. Allah knows everything in the universe. He is the creator of all. Number 3. The creation of human being is from a very humble stuff. But Allah honored him and asked angels to bow down to Adam. Satan's response. Number 4. Allah is very forgiving, but His punishment is also severe. Number 5. Prophet Lut and Prophet Shuaib's people. Number 6. The people of Hijr and what happened to them. Quran and Surah Al-Fatiha are special gifts of Allah. Allah will take care of those who ridicule His message.